Hi everyone! Welcome to Figgy's Kitchen. Ang dish na gagawin natin today is a popular Filipino dish that is very comforting and perfect after a long day work, especially during rainy season. Our dish for today is sinigang na salmon belly sa miso. For the ingredients, you will be needing 2 pieces wedged tomatoes, 3 cloves minced garlic, 1 piece wedged onion, 1 thumb-sized grated ginger, 1 piece green chili, eggplant, string beans, salt, fish sauce, 2 packs of 25 grams Knorr Sinigang sa Miso mix, and 1.5 liters of water. For the vegetable, pwede ka namang mag-add ng ibang gulay na gusto mo. You can add green leafy vegetables like kangkong or dahon ng mustasa. So let's start by rubbing salt to our salmon belly. This will help in removing the strong fish smell and taste or yung lansa ng isda. Continue rubbing for 5 minutes and then leave it for another 10 minutes. After that, rinse the salmon belly and do the same procedure using ginger naman. Be careful lang when you do this procedure kasi medyo matalim yung fins ng isda. And now we're ready to start cooking our sinigang na salmon belly sa miso. So the first thing that you need to do is to saute onion and garlic. Ginigisa ko muna bago ko pakuluan. It gives a different flavor kapag ginisa mo muna and mas nagiging malasa siya. Now, if napapansin mo na naghihiwa-hiwalay na yung onions, you may now add the tomatoes. Continue stirring and press occasionally using the back of your ladle until it becomes soft and fragrant. Then you may now add the water. Just give it a good stir, tapos pakuluan mo lang. If you notice that the tomatoes are soft and the skin is starting to peel off, add the sinigang sa miso mix, then give it a good stir. Let it boil for 3 minutes and then add the salmon belly. Let it boil for 5 minutes, then add the vegetables and green chili. Then let it boil for 3 to 5 minutes. If ever you will add vegetables like kangkong or dahon ng mustasa, I suggest na 1 minute mo lang siya pakuluan at most para hindi ma-overcook since maluluto pa naman yun sa init ng soup. After that, your dish is ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like this video. Click the subscribe button and the bell button beside it so you'll be notified every time I upload a new recipe. If you have comments or suggestions or want to request for a recipe, just comment down below. Bye!